Hey there mga my loves, Libra! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yun mga babes, notin na natin, no, yung content natin is you and your soulmate's journey right here. So we're gonna take a look at whether this person is already in your life, connected na kayo already, pwede naman na getting to know, sa iba naman pwedeng papasok pa lang to sa life mo. You might want to check out, no, kung ini-embodies niya itong mga personalities, characteristics, might be behavior. Yan, no? So, let's see. So, wala tayo ditong gender and of course, wala rin tayo ditong time period kasi pwedeng ito ay tapos na, nangyayari sa kasalukuyan or in the present moment or sa inyong future dito. So, let's see. We'll take a look at Libra. So, spirits and angel guides, thank you so much. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Just bear with me kasi medyo malaki ang ating deck rito. Shuffling is one of the um, things or bagay na ginagawa ng energy reader to gather the right energy na makaka-receive ng message na to. So, please bear with me, mga babes. This is for Libra. Tell me about their soulmate right here. What are their soulmates, characteristics, behavior? Can you please show me? This is for Libra. Libra. Libra's soulmate right here. Trust watchers, you're all welcome as well. Just take how this resonates with you. You can flip the roles if you want. Okay. Libra. So Libra, your person is the prince. Wow, romantic charm and potential for power. So whatever the case may be, looks like pwedeng kaedad mo lang siya, pwedeng younger than you, but let's not get fixed with the age kasi age doesn't matter as well, gender doesn't matter, and time period is also does not matter here. But this is someone here romantic and embodying this kind of someone who could touch you right here, touch your heart in a very deep level. Yeah, this is the type of person right here with the prince as well. This is someone here na maaring ang kanya ritong isa sa kanyang way of showing love to you is presenting or giving you gift or present. The things that you want, yung mga favorites mo, pwedeng literal na bouquet of flowers, but this person is gonna swept you off your feet or baka kinikilig ka na sa kanya kung nasa buhay mo na to, no? At kung papasok pa lang to, no? Yeah, definitely, it gives us this kind of knight in shining armor or princess in shining armor entering your life. So whatever the case may be, this is someone here that will be so attracted to you and this person will make you feel really special. So yeah, no, this person right here is someone no na hindi siya yung type ng person rito 'no na maingay or very, blunt 'no, sa pagsasabi ng kanyang emotions and feelings. Pero mas pinararamdaman niya ito sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga actions at movements right here. So definitely, this could be someone here, maybe I'm seeing someone na nakatira 'no, sa isang malamig na lugar. So puwedeng sa ibang bansa yung kadil ninyo or baka foreigner or half foreign siya but with different culture or belief but doesn't have to be. Puwede rin naman na parehas kayo dito 'no, na Pinoy pero, maaaring siya ay nagtatrabaho or naninirahan sa ibang bansa but this someone here gives me this kind of vibe that there could be difference in color. So puwedeng hindi kayo parehas rito ng color because I'm seeing someone here who has this fair skin. And I don't know, minsan lang ako magbanggit dito ng mga ganyan na fair skin, dark skin. So it means that others of you could be dealing here with someone na iba yung lahi, okay? But doesn't have to be the case. This person right here, there could be distance as well between you guys. So iba pwedeng LDR kayo or magkalayo kayo no, ng location ng tinitirahan. Okay? But this is not be a hindrance here. Para ipakita niya sa'yo. Actually, nag-iisip siya rito mag-travel. Maaring isurprise sa kanya, no? Kasi tingnan mo, tinatago niya yung bouquet sa kanyang likuran. So, ibig sabihin, no, wala gender, okay? So, maaring isurprise, visit ka niya, no? Or puntahan ka niya upang mas makilala pa more. So, wow! Lulok muna ako, no? Kasi dire-diretso. Nagpaalam, lulunok lang. So yun nga, no, let's get to know more about this person, Libra. We have here the slave. So we have here surrendering your power of choice to the divine with complete trust. So yeah, this is not literally the slave na alam ninyong alila, no, or or api-apihan, no? Hindi siya ganun mga babes, no? With this prince, by the way, I'm also picking up na maaaring siya ay abundant or something na nasa stable, no? Yung energy niya kasi is nakikita ko rito na hindi siya yung person na nagkukumahog or nagpapakahirap rito para makakain everyday. This is the type of person here na pwedeng siya ay financially stable. Yun na nakukuha ko sa kanya rito. So, kung sino man siya, may work siya, may pagkukunan siya rito, no? At hindi nga lang yun eh. Parang it gives me this kind of message na kung gugustuhin niya, he or she can buy, no? Cannot tuloy can buy anything that he or she wants. Yeah. And this person with that cannot, okay, kasi sabay kong nakita rito yung parang mga branded things, kahit na may money siya, no, hindi siya yung bili ng bili. Pero may kakayahan siyang bilhin yon yung mga branded items at branded things right here. And this person, with this sleeve, siya rito ay nakakonect rito sa pagdating sa kanyang buhay in general. No? Parang naka-tune in siya kay universe na parang alam ko na dadalhin ako ni universe sa kung saan ako dapat. Yan, no? Might be, this is also the type of person na hindi niya talaga alam, no, kung ano yung, yung path niya, especially when it comes to love and relationship. No? Kasi parang meron siya ritong path na hindi sigurado, pero nakasurrender siya rito kay universe, no, na parang alam niya na divine, ayan o, divine with complete trust. Alam niya na kung saan siya dadalhin, yun talaga yung right one for him or her, no? At natatangay siya papunta sa'yo rito, Libra. So, yeah, I'm picking up that someone here, no, is hindi niya talaga alam, especially, no, kung siya ito, no, na wala siyang particular na specific person on mind, no, hindi niya talaga alam rito kung ano yung nakatadhana sa kanya when it comes to love and commitment, pero sa'yo siya dinadala rito ng hangin. Parang hinihipan siya rito ng mga babes or kayo tong iniihip papunta sa kanya. So, wow, definitely someone here no, na hindi niya alam no, na ikaw pala yung nakatakda para sa kanya. Pero nagtitiwala lang siya rito. Nakabase siya dun sa connection. So, maaring bukas rin ng kanya ritong kaalaman or kamalayan when it comes to divine and destiny or divine intervention. So, we have here the child, eternal, determination to remain young in body, mind, and spirit. Ability to see things with fresh eyes. So yeah, see, definitely may mga changes na nangyayari dito sa buhay niya and with decent flowers around him or her, no, masaya siya sa life niya. No? Actually, masaya siya, kontento siya. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi siya nagsastruggle, especially when it comes to money. Okay? Possible rin na siya ay may kaya or mayaman here. But with this, nag embody siya rito na hindi niya dinidibdib ang mga problema. No? So, this person is knowing na meron siyang inner knowing na lahat ng mga problema ay dumadaan lang at matatapos din. So, ibig sabihin, this person right here, no, is pwede siya rito na nag embodies ng positivity sa kanya. Na parang, problema lang yan, kaya natin yan. Or kung katrabaho mo to, team, hindi to mahirap, kaya natin to. Ganito lang gagawin natin dito. Bukas yung ano niya, alam niya na lahat ng problema may solusyon. Yun yung maganda sa kanya. At I think yun yung nagdala sa kanya ng abundance dito in terms of money and finances. Yung determination niya at saka yung paniniwala niya or yung belief niya na lahat ng problema natatapos at may solusyon. And this person is right. So ito siya, na hindi siya rito yung ano ba yan, may problema sa office or ano ba yan, yung business ko parang ano, parang palubog na. Hindi siya yung ganun, no? Doon siya nakafocus sa, alam ko may solusyon eh, kailangan ko tong malaman at alamin. So, yan. Hindi siya rito mabilis mawalan ng pag-asa at napaka-strong ng spirit niya. Hindi niya dito dinidibdib ang problema, no? Tinatawa niya lang ito, no? At mas pinopokus niya rito yung sarili niya sa mga bagay na magpapagaan ng loob niya. Kunwari, problemado siya, hindi niya iniisip yun. Ang ginagawa niya, no? Bumibili siya ng favorite drinks niya, kumakain siya ng favorite food niya, o kaya siya ay naglalaro ng favorite games or sports niya. Yan. Doon niya tinutuon yung bagay na yun. Kasi alam niya na problema lang yan. Dapat ang problema ang mamroblema sa akin. So, yan, no? So, meron siyang ini-embodies, no, na klase ng energy ng isang bata, no, na isang child, kung saan, di ba yung mga bata, no, is they tend to think na light lang ang mga bagay-bagay, no? Hindi sila yung sumiseryoso, no, sa mga things. So siya, hindi siya sumiseryoso pagdating sa mga problema at mga challenges na nag-a-arrive sa buhay niya, which is good. I think yun yung nagdala sa kanya rito sa kung saan man siya rito naka-status or nakatungtong sa kanyang life. Kasi nakikita ko na this is someone who is stable already. Yeah, at ang maganda, pwedeng ka-age mo lang siya, no? Or baka siya ay bata pa lang siya pero ano na siya, well-established, no? Marami na siyang na-achieve at mukhang papunta na siya dun sa success. Okay? So, we also have here Libra, the healer. See, nakakonect talaga siya sa universe dito, no? Together with that slave and healer right here. Yan, no? Passion to serve others by repairing the body, mind, and spirit. Ability to help transform pain into healing. See? Siya nga yung klase ng tao rito 'no, na marami rin siyang hindi siya exempted, marami rin siyang pinagdaanan dito sa life ano, Libra. Pero siya 'to na instead na magmukmok siya or umupo siya dun sa isang tabi 'no, na ano ba 'tong buhay ko, pinagdaanan ko, hindi. Ang nasa isip niya, tapos na yun, nakaraan na yun, kailangan ko na mag-move forward. Ganyan siya. Ang ganda 'no. Alam mo, mahahawa ka sa pagiging positive nitong person na 'to, yun na nakukuha ko rito. This person has a lot of balance. I'm seeing that Libra sign. Okay? This person is someone here, okay, that is giving us this vibe na lahat ng problema ay magaan lang, no? At lahat ito ay may katapusan. Alam mo yung inaalagaan niya yung sarili niya. Pwede nag-yoga siyang literal, nagbe-meditate rito, no? Pero inaalagaan niya yung sarili niya. This person is healthy. Hindi lang sa kanyang physical appearance, no? Kundi sa kanyang inner self. This person could probably be, baka magulat ka, na ang titindi ng pinagdaanan niya noon, no? Pero hindi yun nakasira rito sa kanya. Bagkus ito ang kanyang naging kalakasan. So, very good, no? A matured one right here. I don't know why I'm getting, no, na marami rito yung parang mga kaedad mo lang or young at heart, no, na parang hindi ko naramdaman na dumaan siya ron sa mabibigat na pagsubok, pero dumaan siya. Kasi matapang siya at napakagaling niya rito na sumabay na sa agos ng life. Naniniwala siya rito na sa journey na to hindi siya nag-iisa. Okay? Yung iba pwedeng naninirahan silang mag-isa, na pwedeng malayo sa pamilya, lalo na kung may kinalaman sa business or trabaho. But, whoever this individual is, nakikita ko rito na sobrang naka-intune sila, no, sa kanilang intuition or connection. They're really tapping, no, doon sa mga sinasabi ng universe sa kanila. So, nakikita ko na hindi siya talaga namumroblema at all. Yeah. Okay? See, if your mind is clear, you can have the solution to any problem. If your mind is clear, then you do not worry for the things na wala namang sense, 'di ba? So this is someone here na tingin ko mahahawa ka sa pagiging positive niya. At nakikita ko mas magiging masaya siya, no? Kasi I think ikaw yung missing puzzle niya. Ikaw yung missing piece niya rito. It's like this is someone here that is looking for love out there and looks like ikaw yun. Yeah. Okay, dito mga babes no Libra, napansin ko rito na nag-out of battery yung mic ko. So sorry naman mga babes. Kaya ito, explain ko na lang siya, no, with the voice over right here because, ayun nga, no, nawala yung voice natin dito sa part na to. Pero yun nga, no, expect na rin, no, na yung paggalaw rito ng kamay ko is syempre hindi tugma sa sinasabi ko. It is because, yun nga, mga babes, no, isipin nyo na nanonood kayo ng K-drama at hindi sabay yung boses sa bibig. So, yun nga, no? As what I'm saying right here, you've got here the companion. So, here, yung nakikita ko rito na characteristic or personality ng yung person right here is this is someone here na talagang very romantic. Kagaya nung tinaas ko kanina with the prince, di ba may hawak rin na bouquet yung ng flowers, no? So, this is someone here romantic, no? At talagang itong klase ng person na to is faithful. With the word loyal right here na nakuha natin, ibig sabihin, this is someone here na makakaagapay at makakatulong mo. So, this is also someone here na pwede talagang meron ditong high chance na kayo ay with different culture or with different background, with different beliefs as well. So, whoever this individual is, nakikita ko rito na hindi yun magiging hindrance with the both of you. Dito kasi sa party na to, medyo sinipon ako dyan bigla mga babes. No? So, ibig sabihin, posible na siya ay nasa isang malamig na lugar or pwede rin naman na siya ay may sipon ngayon. So, whatever the case may be, yun nga, no, out of nowhere, bigla tayong sinipon dyan. At yun nga na pinakita ko rito, no, yung guide, no, pagtapos ng companion, kung mapapansin mo. So, ibig sabihin, nakakonect talaga siya, yan, no, guide, nakakonect talaga siya roon sa kanyang spirituality. Kaya kung sino man tong individual na to na paparating sa inyong life or nasa life niyo na, no, you know, it's like the hermit, may tangan-tangan siya dyang lampara. So, ibig sabihin, well-guided itong tao na to at parehas natin rito mga babes na nakukuha na siya ay spiritually guided. Alam mo, nakukuha ko rito, ikaw yung mas nanonood rito no, ng mga tarot or energy readings at siya doesn't have to be na siya ay nanonood rin pero naniniwala siya rito in destiny. And with that owl in there, owl kasi yung mga babes, no, yung nakita ninyo dun katabi nung man doon sa guide, no, yan na energy na yan, it is because this is someone here is a family oriented. So this person is actually looking for a long-term commitment with someone here. And it looks like ikaw yon. So, yeah, yun na nakukuha natin dito ang taray, no? This is the type of person that you can rely with right here. And with this guide, nakikita ko rito, no, na dahil mataas ang kanyang spirituality at napaka-positibo niya mag-isip, nakikita ko rito na makahawa ka sa pagiging positibo niya, which is very good right here. So, yeah, nakikita natin dito mga babes, no, that you have someone here who is literally na parang naghihintay na lang siya, no, ng someone here na magkukumpleto. It's like you are the missing puzzle piece. And there you go, we've got here the intuition. See, hindi nga tayo nagkamali dito. Alam mo ba na yan ay ini-embodies niya ng isang malaking chalice rito, no? At tingnan mo, no, it's pinkish red or orange red right here. So it is embodying that this person is actually tapping into his or her emotions and feelings right here when it comes to love and romantic partnership. Meron kang makikita dyan na gold and chest of coins at meron rin siyang stability. Ang daming greeneries right here which is indications of stability, abundance, and prosperity. Yan, no? So nakikita ko dito that this is someone here who is actually nagtitiwala, trusting the universe right here, no, na one day, okay, the right person will come along into his or her life and definitely that is you. So, ang taray. And yeah, we've got right here the explorer. So, this is someone here that could be may malaking pagbabago tayong nakikita rito no, sa kanya. Ayan, yung tinuturo ko dyan mga babes, no, it looks like destiny to me, but it also looks like compass as well. So, ibig sabihin, this person is being taken to you. And with the explorer, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na itong tao na to is one of his or her way para kayo ay magtagpo or nagtagpo na para sa iba, it is because of travel. Pwedeng sa trabaho niya, pwedeng sa work niya, or pwedeng magbabakasyon siya. I'm seeing someone here going back and forth right here when it comes to his or her business or partnerships when it comes to money related. So, maaring trabaho ito or business. Nakita ko na yung tangan-tangan niya na yan ay isang compass rito or destiny is bringing this person to you. Yeah, this person is being taken papunta sa'yo. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing someone here na pwedeng mahilig siya sa astrology. Astronaut kasi yung suot niya na helmet mga babes, no? So yan, kung tititigan mo yan mga babes, nakikita ko rito na itong person na to ay someone na pwedeng mahilig sa astrology. Doesn't have to be mahilig sa energy readings. Actually, kayo yung mas nakukuha ko na mahilig doon. Pero siya, this person believes in destiny and sa astrology. Maybe this person loves taking pictures ng stars, ng moon, ng planets, no? So maybe pwede rin gusto niya yung science as well. So there you go. We have right here this well-being. So yeah, see another butterfly. Yung kanina sa explorer, merong isang malaking butterfly sa kanyang shoulder and meron din ditong butterfly no sa well-being. So ibig sabihin, no, love is really coming towards this person's life. And there you go, you have two lovey-dovey birds right here. So ibig sabihin, definitely, I can see you both na magkakaroon dito ng equal give and take at parehas nyo rito makikita ang isa't isa no into each other's eye no nakikita ko rin dito yan nasa gitna na yan yung puso niya may nakalagay na happy so ibig sabihin nakikita ko na magiging happy kayo no together yan so I'm seeing forever with you guys and you could probably meet no kung saan may mga forest meron ditong mga nature yan no maybe this person will really go on a vacation here or will travel right here at high chance na pwede kayo magkakilala no sa labas. So yeah, we also do have here this wisdom. See, definitely this person is in tune. Yeah, no, with his or her spirituality. See, look at that. Another owl right here. Kung anong meron dun sa image doon sa guide, may owl rin kayo. So definitely, this is someone here, a family-oriented, and this person will really value your home. The family that you're gonna build with together, no? Magkasama kayo rito. At tignan mo yung house na yan. Hindi lang yung basta house. It looks like a mansion right here. It looks like a castle right here. So definitely, this could be your Romeo and you are his or her Juliet right here. Wala tayong gender, no? Bala kayo kung sino si Romeo o sino si Juliet. But this person will take you to his or her castle. Yeah. So yes, no? Parang kanta lang ni Taylor Swift, di ba? Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. So yeah, I can see a very family-oriented man at parang pinapahalagahan niya talaga ngayon yung pamilya niya, yung kanya ritong mga loved ones, yung kanya ritong mga special friends, genuine people around him or her. Definitely, no, this is someone here that is a good provider and very responsible. And there you go, you have here the serendipity. See this encounter right here or this fated meeting is actually appearing here as somewhat unexpected. So, maaaring dumating siya sa buhay mo, no? Like, literally, pwedeng you're not expecting someone, but it so happen, no, na may dumating sa life mo and parang maybe nagulat ka, no, sa pagdating nitong tao na to or this is you that ngayon ka lang nakakita or nakakilala ng someone like this person here. And yeah, yung tinuturo ko dyan, no, is like an amusement park, no, ride. So, it looks like this person will give you that kind of ride into your life that will bring a lot of excitement. At you know, kung makikita mo may home doon na nakalagay. So, ibig sabihin, another sign right here that this is a family man or a family woman right here na itataguyod talaga ang inyong family together. And look at that, no? Maaring mamit mo siya kung saan may tall building or may tower right here or near the amusement park as well. See, sabi ko sa'yo, when you are about, out and about, you're gonna meet this person here. And there you go, I'm seeing a lot of trees right here. At meron na naman doon na birds, o two birds yun na nakalagay doon sa tree. So, ibig sabihin, no, tapos may bird din tayo nakuha doon, di ba? Sa ating well-being. So, ibig sabihin, yes, definitely, this is your true love right here. So, it's a confirmation right here. You're gonna meet your one true love. Libra! So, ang taray nyo rito, guys, no? So, yun nga, no, kung hindi nagsasabay, no, yung boses ko at yung galaw ng kamay ko rito, isipin nyo nanonood kayong K-drama at hindi nagsabay yung boses sa bibig. Oo, i-check ko talaga yung mic dito, no? Pero yun nga mga kabase, na thank you so much for the understanding and love. Sarang heyo, annyeong!